This BMW motorcycle belongs to the BMW R9T line of heritage motorcycles, now available with option 719. BMW Motorrad can offer you exclusive and innovative optional accessories to make your motorcycle a standout on the road. Option 719 refers to a line of parts made by the BMW Motorrad Special Customization. These special mill parts that you can order to make your BMW have a unique appearance, and also the paint jobs that goes with it. Option 719 milled part sets and exclusive special colors can be ordered as a special factory option. The option 719 milled part set types are the classic, that gives your motorcycle a puristic elegance. Next is the club sports with black and gold anodized aluminum, giving your motorcycle a dark and elegant appearance. And the next is the storm, which gives your motorcycle a robust and powerful character. Each type of mill part set comes with the cylinder head covers, oil filler screws, belt cover, adjustable brake and clutch levers, expansion tank covers, seat holder, adjustable rider foot pegs, and the pillion foot pegs. Now, BMW Motorrad Special also can offer you high quality optional accessories and parts that can upgrade and personalize your motorbike to give an exclusive look. The BMW high performance, high quality parts are made of carbon, titanium, and aluminum. The machine parts that you can order together with those milled parts are designed to make the ultimate personalized finishing touches, like the rear axle cover, which can cover the rear axle hole in an appealing way. But still, you can order the original BMW accessories to your motorbike. So, with option 719, you can design your own R9T BMW motorbike from the heritage line that makes it more personalized and original, from the paintwork right up to the equipment.